What's up everybody, welcome to another video. Today I have a budget rugged smartphone. This is different. I have done a few other rugged smartphone videos and you may know that I always try to find a better rugged smartphone with better value for money, and today I have something new. This brand Hotwav, Hotwav, Hotwav or Hotwav, whatever the name is. This is pretty new to me. I was actually browsing through and have noticed this brand. Actually, the picture of this box was so amazing, so I didn't wait a moment. I have ordered one. After checking the specifications and the price, I thought, okay, I should buy one and try one. Actually, I have already unboxed this one and used this one for almost 20 days now. I think 18 or 20 days, I can't remember, but yeah, performance is good. One thing that made me so interested about this product, this smartphone, is this one comes with Android 12. No, not Android 11, Android 12, stock Android 12. Our rugged smartphone is running on Android 12. That's pretty new for me. And this one only comes with 4GB of RAM, 32GB of storage. I was like worried, can this actually run Android 12? Because the processor is Helio A22. I think no other brand can do this, really. This is very difficult actually to run a stock Android on a Helio A22 with only 4GB of RAM with smoothness. It's pretty difficult, but they have done this. So that's why I'm spending my time and doing this review. Well, at the beginning, let me tell you some specifications. MediaTek 6761 quad-core processor. This is actually Helio A22. My unit comes with 4GB of RAM and 32GB of ROM. Front 5MP camera, rear 13MP camera, 6-inch display, 18:9 aspect ratio, and 7500 mAh battery. OS Android 12. Color Vitality Orange. Let's unbox it. Never break, always fight, never quit. Other than the smartphone, inside the box you will get a user manual, a SIM ejector tool, a USB A to USB-C charging cable, and a 10-watt charger. Let's put everything aside. Here is our Hotwav T5 Pro, a rugged smartphone. Yeah, I have chosen the Vitality Orange color, so there are some orange accent around the smartphone. Build quality, yeah, as a rugged smartphone, you cannot expect anything different than this. This is a very good build quality. For $140, I don't think you are gonna get anything better than this. And this one comes with IP68, IP69K rating, which is really a lot. On top there is nothing but a 3.5mm port, and the port is well protected. At the bottom there is primary microphone and USB-C port. One more time, this USB-C port is also well protected. And they also have a secondary microphone at the back, so that's amazing because most of the smartphone brands, rugged smartphone brands, they don't care about this secondary microphone. It looks very heavy, very big, but it doesn't weigh too much. Only 312 grams. I think my Honor Magic V weighs more. No, almost the same, 306.6 grams, and this one is 312 grams. I don't think it's too heavy. I like this rear design. It's minimalistic design. There is nothing special. There is nothing too crazy. Some other rugged smartphones comes with crazy design, but the design of this one altogether is pretty decent. This is an old school fingerprint sensor, but this one works perfectly fine. There are two sensors and one of those is a 13MP Samsung sensor. Let's power it up. I have already shown you that this one has a fingerprint sensor at the back. This one also got face unlock option, so you can use both of these, face unlock and fingerprint. Let us try this fingerprint sensor. Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game. Yeah, the fingerprint sensor works pretty fine. At the beginning I have mentioned this one runs on Android 12. Here it is, Android 12. In the display settings, you can select dark theme, and if you don't want dark theme, okay, disable it or deactivate it. You can also select night light to protect your eyes. Adaptive brightness is there, you have to enable it. Screen timeout, auto rotate screen, colors, font size, display size, screensaver, lock screen. Well, let's check the display panel. considering its price and segment, display is pretty good. You cannot compare the display of a rugged smartphone with any other mid-range or flagship smartphones, as this one claims that this one comes with IP68 and IP69K ratings, so we have to test it, right? Let's do the test. Hello, it's full of water. Here you can see this one is still playing the video, and this is gonna get inside this water. Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game. Do I have to pick this for you? There's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb. Let's pick it out and try to play some games. I never miss that fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to? Let me put this back and then I will back to play games. It's still working. How's it supposed to feel? Okay, I'm back and we are gonna play some games. I thought after I drop it inside the water, speaker would get damaged, but no, the speaker is working perfectly well. And I can even play games. Wait, I don't want to play like this. I have to select the controller settings. Okay, I'm playing this game in real time. I'm not gonna speed up because if I speed up, you cannot see whether there is any lag or not. The track, I work on the daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head. Actually, there is no lag. I'm satisfied with the performance with this Helio A22. I'm not gonna say this one is a gaming smartphone, but yeah, definitely you can play games. Some games you can play, but if you're planning to play Genshin Impact on this one, then no, rugged smartphones are not for Genshin Impact. Well, we have talked about appearance, build quality, battery. Yeah, 7500 mAh battery, and have managed to squeeze up to 4 days of usage time. I didn't actually count screen on time, but Philip, one of our Final Cut editors, he has tried to listen to music using this one, and he told me that he has managed to squeeze up to 24 hours of music time. Yeah, the battery was good enough for 24 hours of listening to music. So that's crazy. Another thing is camera. Usually budget smartphones, they are not made to perform in camera department, but this one comes with a decent main sensor and offers decent camera performance. Here goes some shots that I have managed to take with this Hotwav T5 Pro. Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss that fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? Altogether, $139 price tag for this one, I think, is a decent one. There are not many options within this price segment that can beat this one. If you are looking for a budget rugged smartphone, then I have no hesitation to recommend this one to you. This one is the one that I'm gonna use, and yeah, I will wait for your comments. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. If you have loved this video, then please subscribe to this channel. Subscription and like button is over there. Please subscribe to this channel and share the love. Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change.